Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in this video I'll be doing a headband wig review from the company VSHOW on Amazon, so you know you can get that speedy shipping. In the package I got some free headbands that you'll receive as well once you purchase with this company, and these are the different styles. They're not particularly my style, but you know, it doesn't hurt to have some extra headbands for when you just want to throw your hair back or just get it out of your face. So this is the headband that I decided to wear in the video, and they also give you a wig cap, and that definitely comes in handy when applying the wig so that you keep your hair all contained. They give you this little card with their information and everything like that on it, and that basically concludes what's in the box other than the wig. So the wig that I received is the 18-inch Kinky curly headband wig, and this wig is really pretty. I love the texture, and I decided not to wet it or anything so that y'all could see how it looks when you just separate the curls a little. So the cap construction on this wig includes the Velcro attachment on the headband and 4 combs on the inside. This wig does not have adjustable straps, but I still feel like the wig fit pretty securely and snug. In the video I didn't put any combs in, and I feel like I could have just went out like that without putting any combs in. That's how comfortable and snug this wig fits. So yeah, but let me know if y'all want to see more wig reviews or videos like this. I'm gonna try to step away from the headband wigs for a little while. Not saying that I'm going to stop doing headband wigs, but I just, you know, want to bring you guys some more variety. So let me know in the comments what other wigs or what other constructions of wigs or weaves or anything like that that you want to see me try next. After separating and fluffing out this hair, I wanted to show you a couple hairstyles that you can do on your headband wig, whether it's curly, straight, body wave, loose wave. These headband wig hairstyles work with any texture, to be honest, and they're pretty simple, easy, fast to do, something that you can do to switch up the look and really kind of trick people into thinking that this is your hair. You just have a headband on, because surprisingly a lot of people won't even know, especially if your edges blends with the hair and everything looks seamless. You can really fool some people. So these are a couple hairstyles that I like and I would do with my headband wigs. Now about the density of this wig. On the description it says that this wig has a density of 180%. I would personally say it feels more like 150 because it feels like a very natural density. But this wig is also $110 or around there, so it's very inexpensive for a human hair headband wig. So I definitely would still recommend it, especially because it's on Amazon. You don't really have to worry about shipping if you have Amazon Prime, and it's $110, and the density is still pretty nice. As you can see, once you separate the curls and zhuzh it up a bit, you can get it to look as fluffy or as big as you want, but I just wanted y'all to keep that in mind. And these are the different updos and half up, half down hairstyles you can do with a headband wig. Y'all, this hair in particular is so soft, manageable, and to be kinky curly, I didn't get any tangling or any problems with this hair. So if you're looking for a good little kinky curly wig to wear, this one is super inexpensive and you get it super fast because it's on Amazon. So definitely check out the links in my description for more information on this wig. But if you're interested in seeing more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.